Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to edit view only and comment only files in a Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So here I already opened the Google Sheet application on my phone, and the next thing we need to do is just go open the files that it is in a view only documents. You can see now my document here is only in a view format, so then whenever this document is in the view or comment format, we will not be able to edit this file because there is no edit sections on this application or documents. To edit this file, there will be two ways. The first way is you just need to go click the three small dot on the top right corner, and after that you just need to request the edit access into the owner of this document, so that whenever the owner of the documents allow you to edit the documents, now then you will be able to edit it. But then if you already send the request to access but then the owner doesn't give you the access to edit the documents, you can do this instead. Go back into the three small dots, and after that go click this share and export, and after that go click make a copy, and the application will copy these documents for you and you will own this document. And now you just need to edit everything inside of this document with this format of yourself. You just need to input in the data in every cells that you need. So that's the way how to edit view only or comment only documents in a Google Sheet application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.